Is it possible to make lembas bread with the ingredients you have at home? And can you do it in a short amount of time? Now, lembas bread is described as a bread that can fill a man for a day, though Merry and Pippin had other opinions.
Lembas. Elvish whey bread. One small bite is enough to fill the stomach of a grown man. How many did you eat? 4.
But lembas bread appears continuously through the Lord of the Rings trilogy, and it shows up whenever they are using rations. And there are tons of recipes out there for lembas bread, and we're just going to take all of them, put them together, and see what's best. Now the internet is kind of on the edge of whether this is a cookie or a bread. So most of these recipes seem closer to cookie than they do bread. So I'm gonna go for those recipes that are more on that edge because bread is more difficult. Now you can make your lembas bread however you want, but this is how I will be making mine. And I'm gonna show you every step I go through. But realistically, I'm just gonna do my best to not make it terrible and make it something that even Gollum could eat. Most people have the majority of these ingredients at home and should be able to make these. Now, are they gonna be amazing and you should make them every day? We'll find out, but it shouldn't be too difficult of a bake. But I will give you a step-by-step guide as we go through it the best way possible to make your lembas bread and be able to make your own lembas bread at home. Cream, butter, flour, cinnamon, salt from a salt shaker, honey in the bear, of course, and vanilla extract. And don't forget the brown sugar. It's second breakfast. Calm down.
Don't think he knows about second breakfast, Pip.
All right, it has been 12 minutes. Looks pretty decent. I'll let it sit for a minute and see if it's any good. Oh, we should now take a peek. It looks cooked. That's good. Maybe use a little more time. Looks pretty lembas bready. We'll give it a little more time and see if it helps it some. So this is our final product of lembas bread. I'm not sure how it's gonna taste. We're gonna find out. I have this little extra bar I was having there to taste. Kind of crumbly, you know? Okay. It's not super exciting, but it's good and it's edible. What does that taste like? It's very pie crusty, very much like a pie crust. That's what it is, pie crust. This tastes like pie crust, which many of you may be like, oh, that's the ingredients that go into a pie crust. That's why it tastes like pie crust. Well, okay, that's fair. Yeah, it tastes like pie crust, really good. Got some good flavor to it. I would add more spices if it was me. Like add in some nutmeg and some stuff like that that would kind of bring it to life a little bit. But really a base good recipe you could have. I understand why Gollum didn't want to eat this. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but this turned out really good. A lot of the recipes online do call for adding other things into it, making it your own, kind of sprucing it up because it is a little bland, not gonna lie. And I have to say I'm on the side of Merry and Pippin. I could probably eat 4 of these and not really be full. These don't have the elven mystical properties that they probably would have to do that. I would say side quest complete. It's a lot of fun. Not a lot of work. If you want to make this for like a Lord of the Rings party or something, easy, no problem. Not a big deal. Not a lot of ingredients. Add some things in to make it your own. Make a couple different ones. See what people like. It'd be a lot of fun. Yeah, if you guys have any other side quests you want me to do, I would love to jump in and do them. So leave them in the comments and I will get to them. I hope you had fun. These side quests are great. So let me know what you want to do next and I will jump on it. But for now, I'm gonna have some lambus bread and let y'all get out of here. Please like, subscribe, comment, all those wonderful things. I appreciate it all. But yeah, make something with your hands. Create something beautiful. See ya.